Are you ready for exciting new iPhone features? The iPhone 17 has arrived, and it's full of surprises. Let's explore what makes this model a game changer. The iPhone 17 introduces several fascinating innovations. Each feature enhances your experience. From improved cameras to unique designs, you'll want to know more. First, the new camera system. It features a 48-megapixel main sensor. This enables stunning low-light photography. Capture every detail with incredible clarity. Next is the battery life. The iPhone 17 has a longer-lasting battery. You can enjoy all-day use without charging. This means less downtime and more fun. Another standout feature is Dynamic Island. This interactive display blends notifications seamlessly. It gives you updates without disrupting your apps. A smooth multitasking experience awaits you. Let's not forget about the new titanium frame. It's stronger and lighter than before. This gives your iPhone a premium feel while increasing durability. Now, think about the daily scenarios. Imagine taking breathtaking photos during sunset. Or using your phone all day without worrying about battery life. These features enhance your daily routine. In summary, the iPhone 17 comes packed with amazing features. Enjoy improved photography, longer battery life, and innovative design. You can elevate your smartphone experience like never before. Are you excited to experience these features? Check out the iPhone 17 now and discover all it offers.